Welcome to the video about how to plan and execute forms with the Orchid system. In your Google Drive, under Templates, is a form worksheet. That form worksheet currently has tabs for IPs, GCs, EDs, and resources. This is a workspace to plan what your intake form is going to look like and act in the Orchid system. Here's what we get, the choices we get to make. I'm currently on the IP. This example is in your worksheet. And there are different areas that we need to fill out. We have a dependent on question. So, for example, if you only want this question to appear, if they answer yes or no to the question previous, then only then will this question appear. So you need to put the question name and the answer. We will walk through some examples in a moment. But mostly, you're going to be putting down the question you want asked. What is the answer type? And there is a drop down here of the available answer types. And if it is not a short answer or a long answer, then you're going to select answer choices. For example, relationship status, this drop down, the choices are married or committed partner. With the comma, that signifies a new answer choice, single or widow. Next, it's going to say, is this answer required? Normally, this answer is going to be yes. The only exceptions is when I put in the no. Is this question for admins? Typically, the answer is no. So this one, the exception is yes. So let's walk through a couple of these, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in the form. So we, of course, want a legal first name. That's a short answer. We want them to be able to fill that field out however is appropriate. Legal last name, again, however that is appropriate. Preferred name, in case they have one, we want them to put that in. Because they may not have a preferred name, that is not a required field. Relationship status. We're going to give them drop downs. We want them to choose between married or committed partner or single or widow. Here's the reasoning why. Married or committed partner, then we will add questions requesting contact information for the IP2. If they are single or widowed, we don't want to ask that information. So our next question is dependent upon what answer was given in the relationship status. See how that matches word for word? And we want the answer to be single or widowed. When that is the answer, the question I am is going to appear with the drop down choices of single or widowed. So now we're getting at the real answer that we want. Is this required? Yes. If they answered that, this answer is required. Next, well, what about if they answered married or committed partner? Then they get the question we are. Notice how it's very customized. Drop down, married or committed. The comma again delineates that married is one answer, committed partner is a second. Is this a required question? Yes. Then we get into things like what's the best phone number, etc., etc., etc. So I'm not going to drive through all of that. Know that we've got a complete example on, just a basic form you'd want or intake form for IT parents already included in this form worksheet. So what will this look like once it is built in Orchid? So again, this is a worksheet. It helps you organize your thoughts, right? So then when you're ready to build it in Orchid, it's boom, you just build it. the forms in Orchid, because of these links that we've got going on here, if you make too many changes down the road, the form will become corrupted, and that's why we have this planning worksheet. So let's take a look at what it looks like. This is what it would look like on the internet for your agency. You're going to see we have the intended parents application. They get to select their application type in this case, legally married or partnered couple, right? Let's take a look and see what happens. Single, look at that. That's that answer. If it is a married couple or partnered couple, that's what they get to choose. We are. They get to make other choices, legal first name, select their gender, right? All of these great options. And that, in a nutshell, is what you're creating when you're creating an intake form. This is your planning worksheet. And once that's done, then we'll go into Orchid and build it. If you have any questions, please do let us know. We're always happy to help.